Right, we're back. First thing you might notice, the man's upgraded to a little Stone Island parka. I'm in the firm now. What did you think I was going to be doing? Sat at the office all day, smashing myself off over pop idols? No, I'm out here doing reviews for you. Now, I've come to the hare on the green. You're laughing. The hare on the green in Brampton. I've been called out. People are telling me around here that this is a legit pizza. Let's find out. As always, I've gone in, chatting to the owner. He's given me all the right words. Stone baked, handmade. And I have not opened this yet, but I can already smell it coming through the box. My mouth is watering. But first, drink watch, we've got a special. See that all right?
Yeah.
Look at this. Coca-Cola have brought out a signature mixer selection that he's selling in here. They've got woody, got smoky, herbal, and spicy. So this is the woody one. Look at the little bottle, look. It's retro. Let's crack the lid open. Little Croatia bottle opener. I don't know what, is that yours?
Nah, it's Chris's.
No, it is. Cool. Let's dive in. Give it a go. Coca-Cola, bit of an exposure for you, like you need it. Wow. It's really thick, luxurious. That tastes like Coke, what it was like back in the day. You know, like that little glass, little intricate little bottle. Coke, well done, awesome. I ain't talking about football Coke either, having a little bottled Coke. And I'm in a Stone Island parka, repping. Right, let's have a look at what we've come in to see. Here we go. Look at that. Look at the charring on the outside here, look. Look at that, look. Now, I know what you're thinking. This looks good. Let me blow you away with this. £6.25 for this. Yeah, let's get into this. £6.25. Oh, look at that, the cooking underneath. Look at that. Let's dive in and give it a go. Oh. Yeah. Now that is my kind of pizza. Whew. Right, visuals. Notice how the cheese is right to the edge. It is thin, very thin, but it's got that sponginess to it. It's got that dough, but it's still thin. It's got the crispiness to it. The ones I had the other day were like cheesy poppadoms. Yeah, way too thin. Ultra thin pizzas. This is just right, not too doughy. The sauce is incredible. You talk about pizzas with tang and flavour to the sauce. This hits the nail on the head. From a sleepy little town called Brampton. Guys, this is a legit pizza. The biggest problem with this, it's not big enough. I need two. That is so nice, I could eat two. Right. Incredible. I'm gonna give this a score now. First of all, let's give this a score. This is a straight 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. That complements this, by the way. Margherita pizza, hare on the green, Brampton, new Parker coat, Stone Island, casual basement, sorted me out with discount, go and follow them. It's all going off. Time for the final score. This is genuinely, see you guys.
See you there.
Thanks for stopping by today.
Yeah. Thank you for stopping by today.
Yeah, no.
I'm all nervous inside.
Oh, did you? Really? Watch out for the road! Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah. Did your light flash before your eyes then?
You're not having any idea who you are.
Here we go, get you on.
But my little dog is kind of instant famous for starting the
Is he?
International Blind Dog Day.
International Blind Dog
I
Day.
do
Here
not
he
want
is.
to be on your camera, but can you put him? Can you put
Yeah,
him
no,
on
put-
yours?
Yeah.
I really don't want to be.
Okay.
He's at Blind Shammy JRT on Instagram.
Okay, does your dog like pizza?
He'll have a little bit.
Okay, let's get the dog pizza. A blind dog who doesn't know what we're feeding him. It's like one of those
A tiny bit, like.
I'll let him have a bite of the. Better have a bite of the slice,
yeah.
yeah.
Have a bite of it.
Here we go, Lynn. Oh,
You put it right in front of his nose.
there we go. Go on, bite. Yes. That's good, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
There you go. No,
What's
don't
his
give
name?
him any more.
What's his
Shampoo.
name? Shampoo.
Shampoo.
His is at Blind Shammy JRT. He's
Cool.
got like
Want some
3,500
more?
followers. It's pretty cool
Want
for a
some
dog.
more?
Is he?
Yeah, well, I mean, obviously.
Yeah. Get this.
Yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it.
Dear.
Thank
Well, look,
you.
what
I'm sorry
is-
for not knowing who you are. I'm a dinosaur. I wouldn't know. I just no. Only the dog.
Yeah.
Dog is
All right.
photogenic.
See you later, Shampoo.
Say bye.
Bye,
Oh, he
Shampoo.
loves you. He's like, you paid me.
Go on, take this home. Take this home for him.
No, thank
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm going to give you all like, I can't eat that now.
Shampoo, go on.
Sammy, come on, Baba.
Come on.
Have a good day, guys.
And
What a little
you.
legend.
He's a dude,
Yeah.
isn't he? Come on,
Thanks for that.
Sam.
He doesn't want to leave. He doesn't want to leave. She's dragging him. Yeah.
Sammy now. Shampoo, come on.
Bye, Shammy.
Sam, come on.
Reluctantly, he goes.
No, because you just hand-fed him.
To be fair, he isn't. He needs another guide dog, doesn't he?
What a guy human.
A guide dog for you're his guide human, aren't you? Yeah, that's brilliant. Well done, admirable. Time for a score. I'm going to give this. This is probably one of the best pizzas. This is subjective, my style. I love this pizza. I love it. Just look at it. This is a. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10.
Big.
Big score. Big score. And that was a review featuring Little Shampoo. Just wondering where conditioner is. See you later, everyone.